My main goal is to glow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
Welcome back, guys. Here doing another video, and today we're going to talk about what I got for my car, what I got for the Z for 2019, and a couple of things. And I have been ordering stuff since November, which finally came 2 weeks ago, and I would like to share with you guys. And I bought some other things from Z1 Motorsports. Big shout out to them. And some other things I'll show you right now. Let's get to it. So what we got here, look at it. This is my whole pile of mess that my wife wants to kill me because I have this all cluttered and she don't like to see any of this. If you remember before, this is where I had my rims, my tires over here. And talking about that, I'm gonna be doing a video on that coming soon. So here it is. So right here, what we got here, we can't tell, is that I got a Greddy exhaust. Now that bad boy, I ordered this since November, and they finally came here 2 weeks ago. Finally, for a long time, I've been waiting for it. Finally here, and guess what, guys? I'm gonna get it installed today. And today's Saturday, so today's the 16th. So we're gonna get this installed today, not by me, because I don't want to get dirty. I'm gonna take it where I got my muffler deletes before, and that's G exhaust. And actually, he's waiting for me now. I called him earlier, and I told him I'm on my way. So I'm just gonna show you real quick what it looks like inside, what I got. And over here, we got more stuff. You want more sports? Down here, these two things I will show you later. If you want a hint what that is. So that gave you a great hint what I have there. Also got something in that package I will show soon. But first, we're gonna focus on this right now. So hold on, I'm gonna unpack it, show you real quick, and we out to get it done. And if it ends there, my video ends there, it will end there. If not, I'll come back home. I'll show you what I have the rest here. Or I'll save this on another video. Alright, so right now we're focusing on the exhaust system.
Isolated eyes, a messy mind. Think I need to help you. I'm gonna try.
So yeah, guys, I just unboxed it. I opened it up. I didn't take the bubble wrap or anything. So what we got here, we have the white pipe. We have non-resonated delete, the resonator delete, and then we have the exhaust. So I went with single exit because I think it's gonna sound good. It's gonna be different. I was kind of iffy from before because you know, the 370Z is dual exhaust, but I decided to go with single exit because it's gonna look dope and it's a little bit less weight, and I believe the pipe is much wider, so you're getting all the exhaust coming out. Hey, if the Supra could do it, I could do it this too. All right, so hopefully I checked it out. It was good reviews. I heard the sound. She sounds beautiful, and so I'm gonna get a retune. Well, I'm gonna get a retune with soon because I'm getting a whole bunch of things being done. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get more power. That's what my tuner told me. Because what I had before, and he tuned it, and he told me when I get a full exhaust, he'll retune it, and I'm gonna get much power and more exhaust flame coming out, which I want to see that. So it's all good. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna put this in the car, and we're gonna head out to G exhaust and get this shit. Oh, excuse my language. And get this installed. All right, see you there. And we're ready to go. What's up, guys? So we made it here at G exhaust. See right there. And I'm just waiting. I have one customer in front of me, so we just gotta wait and get my car serviced. I want you to check this car out. Look at that, guys. Woo. Nice wrap here. G exhaust, personal vehicle. So let's kind of dope. I like it, man. Can't believe it, guys. I'm gonna go from dual exhaust to single exit. Did I make the wrong choice? What do you guys think? Leave a comment. Let me know if I made the wrong choice. But I think I'm doing the right choice. Let's see what happens. Anyway, this bumper is gonna be changed. So that will bother me big time. I'm gonna have the exhaust there, and then I have a opening there, and then the bumper is shaped that, you know, that you're supposed to have an exhaust right there. So this bumper is gonna be changed so it doesn't look like that. So let's go. Well, this is the last chance you got. Should I change my mind? It's the last chance. Fuck it.
Why do we quit?